One of the biggest advantages of buying a new construction home is freedom. Because everything is new and under warranty, there's nothing to fix. No more spending your weekends working on the house. You are now free to enjoy the things you love to do. And those things may be a lot closer than you think. Today, most new home communities come with resort-style amenities, so living that staycation lifestyle is really just a matter of walking down the street. And it's not just the high-end luxury or gated communities that offer these great resort-style amenities. In many neighborhoods, upscale amenities have become the norm. It all starts with that pool. There is absolutely no need to incur the expense and ongoing maintenance of your own pool, when just around the corner, you've got everything you and your family need for a great day out. Plus, pools have become the modern-day water cooler, where residents gather to socialize, relax, and generally get to know each other in a more relaxed and intimate setting than a public pool. Whether you have kids or they are just visiting, modern playscapes and playgrounds offer childhood adventures we only dreamed of as kids. Also, don't forget the social aspect here. Kids meet other kids, and parents build lifelong friendships. Speaking of playing, modern-day community amenities offer everything from pickleball, tennis, and basketball courts to hiking, biking, golf, and even soccer or gaga fields, all beautifully maintained for you to enjoy. And let's not forget that you can skip the gym membership and go straight to your neighborhood fitness center, which normally offers everything from the full spectrum of weight training gear to yoga, CrossFit, and a variety of fitness classes. Community amenities are designed to help you love your life in your new home. As you shop for a new home, think about how a potential community's amenity package can improve your life by saving you money, making it easier to stay healthy, and giving you a convenient space to mingle with your new neighbors. With NewHomeSource, you can filter your search based on amenity, making it easy to explore new home communities that have all the amenities you'll need to live a life you'll love.